Hello there. Have you ever experienced the easiest way to enable single sign-on for your applications? In this video, I will help you to set up your application using SAML protocol. First, we will need an account with miniOrange to access the admin dashboard. To create an account, follow the link displayed on the screen, or you can also click on the link mentioned in the description of this video. Visit login.securify.com and log in using the credentials provided in the email. Click on the Apps section from left navigation bar. To add an application, click on the Add Application button. Now, find the SAML or WS-Fed section and then click on Create an App button. In this video, we will try and set up Dropbox application using SAML protocol. So let's search for Dropbox application in the search bar. Click on Dropbox Enterprise App. Fill in all the basic information. And go to Attribute Mapping section. You can add additional attributes using the Attribute Mapping section. Now go to the Policy section, and here you can add policy for your app. Go to the Advanced section and click on Save to configure Dropbox. App is configured successfully. Go to Select option and click on Metadata link. Now click on Show Metadata Details button. Keep SAML login URL and click on Download Certificate button to download the certificate which you will require later. Now we will set up SSO into Dropbox. Sign in to Dropbox with your admin credentials. Go to Admin Console in the left-hand sidebar. Now go to Settings tab. In the Authentication section, click on Single Sign-On option. You can make single sign-on optional or required. Click on Add Sign-In URL and enter SAML login URL provided by miniOrange IDP metadata. Upload your miniOrange certificate which we have downloaded. Click on the Save button. Let's see how it works. Enter your email ID or username. You can see the single sign-on option is enabled. Click on Continue button. Enter your miniOrange credentials here and click on Login. You have successfully logged in to Dropbox using miniOrange SSO. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, drop us a query on info@securify.com for any other questions.